To beginner piano lesson 9. In lesson 8 we looked at how to play our second and third song. Today we would be looking at triads. We are gradually moving from playing songs using notes to playing songs using triads. What is a triad? A triad is simply when you combine 3 notes and play them at the same time. A triad is the combination of 3 musical notes played at the same time. The combination of 3 musical notes played at the same time. So when you combine 3 musical notes and then you play them at the same time, that is a triad. So it simply means that when I combine 1, 2, 3 and then I play them at the same time, that is a triad. Playing 3 musical notes at the same time is referred to as a triad. Are we together? Now let's see how we can hold a root. A root triad. Now a root triad simply talks about where you are starting from. It refers to your starting point. A root triad refers to your starting point, where you start your playing from. Now our root, we're going to try to form a triad on key C. And let me claim this. We'll try to form a triad on key C. So key C, root triad. Now the first thing you need to do to form your triad, identify where do I want to form this triad. On what key would I like to form my triad? Remember, this is key C. So now I want to form this triad on key C. So I'll simply locate my key C. Of course, if you go back to our previous videos, we explained in detail on how to locate a key C. Now to locate a key C, I'll just come and place my hands here, and this is my key C. So I place my first degree using my right hand. Having placed my first degree, I will count 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll count 4 semitones. 4 semitones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Having done that, I'll place my third degree. After placing my third degree, the next thing I'll count 3 semitones. Not from the immediate point where I'm pressing my hands, but the next immediate note. 1, 2, 3. And then I place my 5th degree. And that's my root triad of key C. Can you try that? If you need to pause the video to give it a try, please do. This is your root triad. Your root triad on key C. Wow, it's awesome, isn't it? So now let's go ahead and form a root triad on G. Let's try that on G using the same principle. Using the same principle, you just locate your G and then you count 1, 2, 3, 4. Then place your next finger, then count 1, 2, 3, and then that will be your G. Go ahead and try this on other keys on your own. Thank you as we move finally to lesson 10.